Welcome to A&M Tech. A&M Tech brings you another exciting collection of innovative products. Subscribe our channel for more videos. It is a nightmare, cleaning dishes with sponge and soap. Introducing you to the alternative of large and expensive dishwasher. Deo Smart Kitchen Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher is the world's first handheld dishwasher and jet steamer. Wall-mounted and portable, it puts the power of a dishwasher in the palm of your hand, getting your dishes sparkling clean without getting your hands dirty. Zip bag is a storage container used for just about anything from keeping your leftovers fresh, to eating your salad lunch out of it. It replaces plastic containers and plastic bags, plus the waste associated, and lets you store more inside your fridge, while keeping it eco-friendly and organized like never before. In order to make a simple cup of tea, you end up overfilling the kettle. This wastes energy and water and also means you have to wait longer for it to heat up. Mito is the game changer that goes beyond your normal kettle needs. You only have to heat the amount of liquid you need using whatever vessel you prefer. And it heats more than just water, it can also heat milk, soup and even more. Mito is a super adaptable device that can heat a variety of liquids directly in the vessel of your choice. Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Lanmoto Vast M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision, to make night driving as clear as day. waste your waste. Kalia was founded to create something valuable and sustainable out of our daily food scraps. No matter where you live or how much space you have, Kalia turns your organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. In only 48 hours. Inspired by the 50s-70s Soviet Nixie tube clock, NextTube uses modern IPS screens to revive the beautiful warm orange glow of old tech, at the same time, shows you key metrics of modern life. You can use it to know the time, arrange your schedule, check the weather, track social media performance, visualize your favorite music, and light up your space. Eating should be fun. Right? But have you ever tried to lose weight, build muscles, or keep the pounds off while still enjoying every meal? It's annoying to keep track of your diet. So, what if there is a way to keep track of all your meal without any extra effort? Meet Nutrio. Nutrio is the world's first smart cutting board that can scan your food to keep track of your nutrition. According to statistics, the average time we spend on our phones is about 3 hours a day, not including work and studying. Too much screen time can result in digital eye strain, which can include burning, itchiness, headaches, fatigue, blurred or double vision, loss of focus, listlessness, and neck pain. Treat yourself to Eye Dear, the effective eye care solution. Eye Dear can relieve your eyes to the greatest extent, allowing you to easily eliminate fatigue and dark circles. The unique anti-blocking design allows you to work and rest simultaneously. Eye Dear can relieve your eyes by eliminating fatigue and dark circles. The unique design won't obscure your sight, which allows you to work and rest simultaneously. ages, mankind struggles to heat food. Meet the water-activated self-heating lunchbox that can heat your food wherever you want. It requires no electricity, no flames, no microwaves. All it takes is one heating pads and a bit of water.